Welcome back to the Car Explorer. Today we have something truly extraordinary to share with you, a vehicle that blends the essence of pure luxury with the freedom of the open road. We're talking about the Bentley Motorhome 2026, a masterpiece. Designed for those who want the comfort of a Bentley while enjoying the lifestyle of travel and adventure. This is not just a motorhome, it's an entirely new experience that redefines luxury mobility. Starting with the exterior, the Bentley Motorhome 2026 carries the brand's unmistakable DNA. From the front, the bold matrix grille immediately catches your eye, finished with chrome accents that highlight Bentley's signature elegance. The body is sleek and commanding, with smooth aerodynamic lines flowing from the front to the rear, giving it a majestic road presence. The headlights feature Bentley's signature crystal-cut design with high-definition LED technology, ensuring both striking looks and maximum visibility. Chrome-finished accents around the windows and door handles, along with the signature Flying V emblem, give this motorhome the same prestige as Bentley's most luxurious sedans. The size is imposing but beautifully proportioned, blending the presence of a motorhome with the sculpted grace you expect from a Bentley. Moving inside, the interior is where Bentley truly outshines any other brand in this category. The cabin of the Bentley Motorhome 2026 feels more like stepping into a five-star hotel suite than a recreational vehicle. Premium handcrafted leather, fine wood veneers, and polished metal accents dominate the space, creating a sanctuary of elegance. The driver's cockpit is futuristic yet traditional, featuring Bentley's latest digital display with customizable interfaces while keeping classic analog-style craftsmanship alive. As you move toward the living area, you're greeted with a spacious lounge featuring plush reclining seats, a state-of-the-art entertainment system, and ambient lighting that adapts to your mood. The kitchen area is fully equipped with high-end appliances, including induction cooktops, a smart refrigerator, and marble countertops, blending functionality with luxury. The bedroom is designed for ultimate relaxation with a king-size bed, Bentley stitched headboards, and even a personal climate control system. The bathroom is equally luxurious, with a walk-in shower, premium fixtures, and spa-inspired details. When it comes to performance, Bentley has not compromised despite the size of this motorhome. Under the hood, it is expected to feature a powerful hybrid V8 engine with advanced electrification technology, delivering impressive torque while maintaining Bentley's commitment to sustainability. The ride quality is enhanced by Bentley's renowned air suspension system, which ensures a smooth and stable drive even on challenging terrains. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and advanced driver assistance systems make long journeys more relaxing and secure. Despite being a motorhome, the Bentley 2026 delivers performance that is refined, powerful, and unmistakably Bentley, setting it apart from anything else on the road. Now, let's talk about pricing. As you'd expect from a Bentley, exclusivity comes at a premium. While official pricing has not yet been revealed, estimates suggest it will start at around $2 million, with custom configurations and bespoke options easily pushing the figure much higher. Bentley has always catered to those who desire the best, and the Motorhome 2026 is no exception, aimed at individuals who value freedom, travel, and ultra-luxury in equal measure. The Bentley Motorhome 2026 is a remarkable fusion of automotive excellence and luxurious living. It brings together Bentley's unmatched craftsmanship, cutting-edge technology, and powerful performance into a mobile luxury suite unlike any other. For those who want to explore the world without leaving behind the comfort and elegance of a Bentley, this motorhome is the ultimate dream come true. If you enjoyed this detailed review of the Bentley Motorhome 2026, make sure to subscribe to Car Explorer for more exclusive car reviews, luxury vehicle showcases, and in-depth automotive insights.